Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your location on DoorDash account. So let's dive into the video right away. Launch open a web browser of your choice and type in DoorDash.com in it. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website of DoorDash. And also, if you're not already, make sure to log into your account by choosing a login method. Once you are logged into DoorDash, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top left-hand corner. In the expanded menu, click on Accounts. Under Profile, click on the country option and make sure to choose one of the country you'd like to change to from the list. And save the change by clicking on Save button on the right. And there you have successfully changed your location or your country on DoorDash. Once you've changed your country, you can also change your location from your main homepage. Click on the location option at the top of the screen, and once you click on the drop down, you can now enter your new address you would want to change to in the text box. After you select your address, you will be able to change your address as well. After you do that, you will be able to update your location on DoorDash. So that is how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.